Hi, we're here today with orange quartzite and an agate pendant. So let's take a little closer look. Here we have orange quartzite. We used just a glass bead between quartzite and an agate pendant to make this beautiful 12-inch pendulum. I'm always drawn to the blues and greens, so when I had made this one, the oranges were just so different and pretty. I love it. It's a nice, good, strong weight, and it needs to be broken in. So let's do it. 45-degree swing. Show us a yes. Great, beautiful. All right. 45, and show us a no. Circling and stop. There it is. And there comes my little bit of left to right. That is my no. So orange quartzite is a stone representing positive change, calm the mind, balance during change. And that's how that makes me feel when I look at that too. Very calm. So there you go. If you're drawn to this pendulum made of orange quartzite, find it at myfrequency.shop. Have a great day.